Now, when it becomes a mental health issue, or then say I said to the employer I was depressed, or I'd been bullied, or something along those lines, and I get sacked, and I can prove that adverse action, but I can't go back to work, and the bullying happened at work, your workplace. There's got to be a significant claim on damages there when I can never work again. Tell me a little bit about that.
That's workers' compensation. So that's where if you've sustained an injury or a condition in your workplace arising from the events at work, then you can go on workers' compensation. I'm not a workers' comp lawyer, but the general process is you make an application, it's assessed by iCare or your workers' compensation insurer. Normally they accept or reject it. If they initially accept it, there's a 12-week period where investigations are being done, medical reports are being undertaken, but the employee will get paid for the first 12 weeks. And then there's another assessment at the end of that period. And then you look at whether it's a permanent or temporary injury and whether they can now come back and what steps are going to be taken for them to come back into the workplace, or are they permanently disabled, unable to come back, and then it becomes an insurance issue effectively. And that's what you have workers' compensation insurance for. And that's also really important to just mention is that that's the only insurance that you must have by law, and it's a criminal offense not to have it. So if you have employees, you have to have workers' compensation.
Yep.